are a leading refrigerated truck manufacturer and supplier based in China, specializing in the design, production, and customization of high-quality cold chain transportation solutions. With over 3 years of industry experience, our factory is equipped with advanced production facilities and cutting-edge technology to ensure precision engineering and superior performance. Our product range includes refrigerated vans, trucks, and trailers.